Welcome to Peppy Pillars. Bubbly brains, lively leaps.
Hello, kids. Today we're going to learn how to add. Adding means putting things together to make more. And this is the plus sign. We use the plus sign when we add things together. Let's see how it works. There are 2 cars in the toy box, and there is one more car beside them. Do you know how many cars there are altogether? Let's add them together. Point to each car and count with me. 1, 2, 3. So, when we put all the cars together, we get 3 cars. 2 cars plus 1 car equals 3 cars. This is called simple addition. See, adding is so simple. And trust me, once you know how to add, you'll see it everywhere. In your toys, in your snacks, even in your shoes. Are you ready? Let's take our first peppy step. Let's visit the frog pond. Look, there are 3 frogs sitting on the lily pad. Oh, 2 more frogs join them. How many frogs are there now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 frogs. So, 3 plus 2 equals 5. 3 frogs plus 2 frogs equals 5 frogs. We can write addition in different ways. We can write it vertically, like this, or horizontally, like this. Both ways mean exactly the same thing. Now we know what addition is and how to add. Let's practice addition together. 2 balloons plus 1 balloon. How many altogether? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 balloons. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Here are 2 toy blocks. Now 2 more toy blocks are added. How many blocks do we have now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 blocks plus 2 blocks equals 4 blocks. This is easy peasy, right? Now let's find something else to add. Look, there are 4 donuts on this plate. Let's add 3 more donuts. How many donuts are there altogether? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 donuts. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Well done. Here's the next one. There are 5 stars. If we add 4 more stars, how many stars are there altogether? Count by yourself. I think you got it. Ready to check? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 9 stars. Look at the beautiful butterflies. There are 4 butterflies here. Let's add 4 more butterflies. How many butterflies are there altogether? Count by yourself. Did you get it? Let's count together and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 butterflies plus 4 butterflies equals 8 butterflies. Great job, little learners! We learned how to add and practice simple addition together. Keep practicing and keep smiling. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.